Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video. I am using a cotton yarn and I am using 4.0mm crochet hook, and this strap is called thermal single crochet stitch, and we will start with a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we will do a back loop only single crochet on the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook on the second chain from the hook on the back loop only, grab the yarn and single crochet, single crochet, back loop only on the next chain, and end of the row, chain 1, and we will start to do a back loop only thermal single crochet on the front loop on the first row. Insert your hook on the back loop and insert your hook on the front loop on the first row. Grab the yarn and single crochet. Insert your hook on the back loop and insert your hook on the front loop on the first row. So you will do a back loop and front loop on the first row and single crochet. At the end of the row you will do a chain 1, and again you will insert your hook on the back loop and insert your hook on the front loop. Insert your hook on the back loop and insert your hook on the front loop under the rows. Chain 1. Don't forget to chain 1 every end of the row, and just continue to repeat all this round until you will get your height of your strap, your desired height of your strap, and continue to do that until you reach your height of the strap. And once you reach the length of your backpack strap, we will then insert our hook on the normal chain and insert your hook on the front loop. Insert your hook on the next chain, on the normal chain, on the 2 loop. Insert your hook on the front loop and single crochet. This is how we close the end of the row. And we will cut the yarn and just secure the ends of the yarn and hide it on the stitches. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.